welcome back to my channel. It's Latoyalaven. Nice to see you guys back again. It's been a while. It's been like 6 months, 6 months of a lot what has been going on. Let me tell you guys that if it sounds cold or dark is because your girl has moved. I have moved from the location where I am. We are going to have a sit down and a chit chat, but today, I'm coming to you guys. I'm gonna run some errands. I have to go and register some stuff, and we are going to. I might make an Amazon haul also today because I actually said, you know what? Let me just do some new content on this channel, and that is what happened in the past few 6 months. My life has been up and down, but most likely up. I'm going to tell you guys also how I manifested my life, how I got this apartment and everything. We're gonna sit down, have a maybe we might cook, have some wine, talk about it and everything. I know it's like kind of dark. Also, the lighting is like very bad. And yeah, I actually moved. Let me just get up because this lighting is just like really pretty off. Yes, I told you guys what I'm actually doing today and stuff. This place is in a mess. You can actually see it's like getting very dark and everything. So let me just like go right here. This really don't help at all. So I'm actually going to get ready, and then when I'm actually nearly ready, then I'm going to go over, get this stuff registered. I have to fix up my pantry today, and next week will be officially that I am here. Yeah, it's been a lot going on. There's a lot of fix and a lot of do. So you guys stay tuned and keep on watching, and I will see you very soon when I get back to it. So let's go and get ready. Bye bye. So now that I'm ready, now I have my keys and everything, and now we're looking to go and register. Yes, I ain't really like dress up or anything. Yes, this is my favorite hat. Doesn't matter. So let's get going. And what I really like is that everything is just a little dark inside here. So I can't really change anything about that. But what I'm gonna say is that anything that you want to come to life, you should really do it, because you don't want to think about like in 40, 50 years from now. You don't want to be thinking, well, if I did this or if I did that. There's no if, there's just do it with no regrets. No regrets at all. Yeah. Hi guys, so right now I'm on my way to go and pick up some cleaning stuff, and then I think because I'm gonna run some errands, so I'm gonna get some cleaning stuff, I think I might go to Ikea or Ikea, how we say in Europe. And the thing is that today I really want to like organize the kitchen. So if you guys want to see like how I organize my kitchen and stuff, I will make another video about that, and that is going to be pretty dope because the aesthetically pleasing and the inspo and where I get everything from. Moving is not easy. Let me tell you guys something. Moving is not easy. I totally forgot how moving can be a little stressful, but it could also be very nice too. And let me tell you guys the reason why I moved, right? Why I haven't been posting, why I haven't been posting the stories on any social media whatsoever. I took the time off to really come back mentally, physically very strong. My old job was draining me in all sorts of way, and I was like fighting it, but my body and my mind was like, no, you have to let go. And there were like some other circumstances too as well, and I did not want to fight it anymore until I said to myself, you know what, my happiness lies first. You guys don't ever do that at all. Once something is going against your peace, do not do it at all. Live for your best truth, live for your best life, and don't put anybody else or anything else happiness before yours. And I learned my lesson the very hard way, and I don't want to do it anymore, to be frank, when I'll be honest. You know, so I'm not going to be doing that ever again. So what I did was I was looking for places like 3 months ago, 4 months ago. The earlier you look for a place is the better it is for you. You could actually negotiate with your landlord or with the the owner of the place or whatsoever. You can negotiate with them, because I actually negotiate that I will move like 2 months later in, and this is when you really know you want to take the place, right? This is when you know you want to, like, hey, hands down, look at this. If you guys are looking, like, I know it's like all over the world and stuff, if you guys want to know how to move to Europe or how to stay, I will leave some links down below in the description box. And don't mind, I am living here in Europe way far long. I was born and everybody know that I was born and raised in Trinidad and Tobago, but I'm living here very long, so I might know certain things. I really don't know how it is right now with Corona and stuff, but I know, like, if you're in the country already and you're looking for a new location, that would be very good. So like I was saying, 3-4 months ago, I was looking for an apartment place, and I didn't want it to be too far out from the city, but I also didn't want it to be like too much in the city. So I found the perfect area where I'm living right now. I really, really love it. It's green, it's nice, it's really, really beautiful. And also job-wise, I finished my degree in finances. I was working full-time. I was doing actually 2 degrees. In July, I will officially be a social media manager, and I am a payroll specialist. So I finished my degree in the finances and everything, and I found it very, very pleasing and very good towards me. And I was working a 10 to 5 job, and now I'm working an 8 to 5 job. That is amazing. This stuff is really amazing. But like I was saying, the job I was also looking for, like, approximately a month and a half ago. Now we are in June, so a month and a half ago, I said, you know what, to hell with it. I sent out my CVs, I sent them out. I got really, really great response. If you really want to put your head into it, you will make it. Don't think like, oh, I'm not gonna make it, I'm not gonna do. That's a lie. If you really want it, you will get it. You pray, you manifest on top of it. You go with it with positive energy. It doesn't matter how the outcome comes, but it's once you're doing the job and once you're putting in the hard work to it. So I took my time and put in the hard work towards it, and that's why I have like a great outcome out of it. So like I said, I applied for my jobs and them. I got a job, I went to certain interviews. Some jobs I really did not like, and some jobs I found the job what perfectly suits me, but it's really, really great. So I'm very happy and grateful for that. Yeah, so that is exactly what has taken place in my life. And I wasn't posting anything on social media, because I took that time for myself to get stronger and better and wiser, to know what I really want more for my future and the plans that what I want to pursue into my future. So now we are here right now. I have 1 more week by my old job, and then I will be moving to this apartment here. I have some stuff to do here. That's why I came here this week, and then I will be driving back tomorrow. So I'm really sad. I want to stay. I'm so happy I moved here. I really want to stay and enjoy the vibes here and stuff before I start a new job. I would definitely take a itty bitty short vacation before. Very happy, very good for that. I'm not like too much overwhelmed. I'm just so excited and happy that I can start posting great content for you guys, and do what I love. Do what you love. Do not do what you have. You have to do what you have to do, but do what you love the most. And this is what changed. I changed my whole life around. Your girl is out here getting thick, slim thick, due to the stress. I was going through a lot of stress. a lot of mental stress too, and I took that time to really suck it all in and then let it all out and come back new, fresh, stronger, happier, and living the best life for me. Oh, sorry, that's my navigation system. So I'll see you guys in the store, or I'll see you guys when I'm back home. Yeah, so right now I'm in Ikea. I'm looking to study to get like 4 of these. I was just talking to my girlfriend Jimmy. Yeah, but we're gonna see. I really thinking like, to get these stuff. A little bit difficult. All right, look at this. Alright, so I'm gonna get 4 in these. So 3, 4. Like 4 in these. They have such nice plants. I have like these flowers. So you guys, finally back home. I took a stroll. I was eating ice cream because if you look at my Instagram, you will see it. And not only that, I found a new nail technician. You guys can go and check her out. I will link everything down below in the description box. Thank you very, very much for the short appointment, and I wish you all the success for your business. That's short. So you guys, I'm actually right here in my pantry, so I'm going to like set up a pantry. I'm going to show you guys some why this thing is not going. Some things what I got. Don't mind the liquor in the pantry. Yeah, so some stuff what I got. I went to the store. I just picked up something very small because like I really need a new wallet. So I actually picked up this one from Coach. Just look how cute this looks. Oh, hold on a second. Like this. Oh, that was my phone. I'm so sorry. But I picked up this Coach wallet. This is so delicate and so sweet. Come on, why you don't want to focus? But yeah, doesn't matter. So I pick up this wallet. I find it's like very cute to have. And since I have like also some small euro coins just to put it inside right here, like if I'm just going somewhere, just pretty easy and simple. So I really like this, so that's why I pick it up. Then I picked up some stuff in the kitchen, just some cleaning stuff, Clorox, some hand sanitizer stuff, some I would say cloth to be cleaning those stuff, some sponges. Oh, this bag is really heavy. That is what I did. So once I will make a video on like how to set up your pantry and like organize your pantry. I really need to organize my kitchen. That for sure. That's one thing what I have to do. But yeah, you guys, and if anybody has this, tell me how you found it or if it's good or not, because I just pick it up just to just screw in some chairs or whatever. And yeah, that's mostly it. And I really think next week there will be more more content coming. and I'm very happy and grateful for every single thing what has come towards me. So you guys gonna see in this video, like I said, some errands I was doing and some other stuff what I found really great. And I would say I will end this vlog right here. Next week there will be like more content coming out, so it will be much easier because then I will fix up my pantry and the kitchen, and I'm just gonna show you guys some really nice content. Then I really have to go and get some more stuff for the apartment and thing. And yeah, and I will officially see you not tomorrow, but next week, Sunday, when I post everything. And I'm so happy. I am so happy, you guys, that everything works out really good, really great. And I just cannot wait to live the best life and become the best version of myself. So I want to thank you guys for my old and my new subscribers. I want to thank you guys for sticking around and asking me where I've been, where I haven't been posting. And we will have a sit down and a chit chat next week also too, while I'm fixing up the pantry and posting also content. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like it. Click right down here below, and see you in the next vlog. Thank you very much. Bye.